I'm Keri Glassman. I'm a registered dietitian, nutritionist, and I've been talking about a whole person integrative approach to nutrition and wellness for over 20 years. OMG. This right here is the very first logo of my business in 2002. See that brain right there? That's to symbolize stress. See that bed right there? That's to symbolize sleep. Yeah, I've been talking about a nutritious life and all of these 8 pillars longer than I've been a mom. You know what I didn't have 20 years ago when I started that business? I didn't have a roadmap to follow. I didn't have a mentor. I didn't know where to start. I had a master's in nutrition, but I didn't have a community. I didn't have all of the tools to be able to take all of that knowledge that I learned in my education and put it into practice to coach people. I didn't have any of the business skills. You don't learn that in school. It was old school times and I went old school. I bought myself a binder and I created the forms, the tools, the handouts, everything that I needed to educate my clients and to build a business. And then I built on it year after year. And I've done some really cool stuff. I started a snack bar business, Keri Bar. I sold it on QVC. I even had a skincare line, which I sold in Rite Aid, Skin Appetit. I've done hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of segments over the years in the media on nutrition and wellness. I was even the nutrition host for a show called Cook Your Ass Off. All of this has led me to where I am now, doing what I am most passionate about in my career. And that is teaching and mentoring registered dietitians, career changers, trainers, yoga instructors, all kinds of wellness pros, to be nutrition and wellness coaches, to make an impact in the world through my nutrition certification program, become a nutrition coach through the Nutritious Life Studio. So if you're curious about what becoming a nutrition coach is all about and how it could be that life-changing opportunity to follow your dreams, I want to help you get there. You don't have to figure this out all on your own. So come ask me all of your questions in my next workshop. The link is right here, and learn how you can build that dream life of yours.